Okay. I was here doing a little video, just noticed something in the 55. This Jack Dempsey is hovering in one spot, protecting its young. All what you see there are free swimming babies. Completely random event. Don't know how it happened. Just noticed it a second ago. Each little baby is they're so small, maybe eighth of an inch long. They're silver with little black stripes, and the mother seems to be kind of corralling them near the bottom and staying inside of the little ship, being a good mommy, I guess, or daddy. I don't know. But as I begin to look, there's more and more of them swimming around everywhere. So maybe soon, a month or two, I might have a couple of good Jack Dempseys to get rid of.
If the other fish don't eat them.
Anyway, let me know what y'all think.